Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. So friends, in today's video we are going to start a third part of our web designing. In the last video we studied about how to purchase and search for the domain name, and today's video is about hosting. And we will also see that how can we purchase hosting. So let's go to the Namecheap website. So here I would click on the hosting, and then WordPress hosting we will go to another page, and let's check out the pricing. They are available on yearly and monthly basis, so let's check out the monthly basis ones. So if you check out the monthly plan, they are providing 3 different packages for hosting, for purchasing hosting. One is 3.88, other is 7.88, and the third one is $11.88. Looking at the yearly ones are $22.88, $44.88, and $49.88. So if you want to buy any one from them, you can do it here, and the procedure is same we did for domain purchasing. Just add it to the cart and complete the requirements of putting information, and just do that. It is so simple. So now we will see that how can you connect domain and hosting, and why is it important to link both. For doing so, you need the DNS setup, domain name server. It is abbreviated as DNS. It is important to do so because if you didn't do that, anyone can use your hosting with their domain name, and then there is no use of your data. It will be used by others. Hosting is basically provided by the DNS is provided by the hosting company. So if you purchase, for example, for me, I will provide you with 2 types of DNS. So the two domains I would be providing would be, let's suppose, let me write them over here, ns1.786hosting.net, and the other one would be ns2.786hosting.net. so these would be the domains the hosting company would be providing you. So now we will see that how can you manage hosting and set up the DNS. You will find it really easy with the help of this tutorial, and let me share the whole procedure with you. So here we go. So let me see that if there is any domain for purchasing, so we can connect the hosting with it. So let's check out the domain here. Okay, now we go to the page now, and the procedure will be completed. I'm not sharing the whole procedure again because I have shared it in the earlier video, so it is also the same procedure. So without wasting time, we will move further and we will set up the DNS. So we took the domain name from DNS, and the hosting name they are taking it from me. So we will see the DNS setup now. So I also take hosting from somewhere. Okay, it will take some time. Here it is. Thank you for your order and purchasing. Okay, now we will move forward. Now coming to the Namecheap, we will see that our domain name and the all stuff is listed over here. Now we will simply go to the manage option. It will take some time to load, and when it comes here, we will put the same server name, the ns1 dot whatever it was. We will put it over here, and you have to select custom DNS from here, and here we have put ns1, ns2. Okay, all of that we have already put it over here. So it will load a bit over here, and here you can see DNS loading will take time, 48 hours time. Okay, so it will take total 48 hours. Usually it can usually take more time than that also, and that's how you can set up a DNS in a very simple way. So this name like ns1, ns2, the name server 1, the name server 2, the hosting company is going to provide you these. If you are purchasing from me, I will provide you with them. But if you are purchasing the domain and hosting from a same company, then you don't need to do the DNS setup. Now we will see that how can you access for cpanel. Cpanel means the control panel. So I will make a file, and you also have to maintain a file side by side. These are some the names and the control panel name, etc., given by the company. So you have to make a file and maintain the names over here. So all of the details of cpanel, username, password, each and everything, they will be provided by the company. So from whomever you are getting the hosting and domain from whomever you are purchasing, they will provide you with this file. If you are purchasing from me, I will provide you a file including all the information. Then you have to copy your domain name from above and paste it below, and then put a slash and panel in front of it. Write /cpanel. So you just have to now copy the domain name with cpanel and paste it in Google. So here we go. We have this page where you have to put the username and password that is already provided by the company. You can recheck it also in the file, the document we are provided. So simply from here you can see your domain name, username. Paise Kamao is that like our username. So from here you can check it out. So you can just copy and paste your username and password from the document provided by the hosting and domain company and put it in over there on the login page. So you have to put all the username and password correctly, and once you put them over here, you will log in, and then you will get here to this page, and that's how the interface looks like when you look at it for the first time. So now you can see all of the things over here: the database, the email, the server, the softwares, the security, advanced performance, and applications, all are over here. So this is how we learned today about how can you purchase hosting and how can you connect hosting and the domain. And if they are provided by same company, then you don't need to set up a DNS, but if they are provided by different companies, then you need it to save your data. And also we have seen that how can you access the control panel or the cpanel. So that was it for today. See you in the next lecture, inshallah. Take care. Allah Hafiz.